Assalamualaikum and greeting to all students. Alright, this video is intended to teach students in using Google Site as a medium of learning and teaching for them. If you can see on this home page, you need to fill in the Google form that has been provided so that we can identify each student. The objective that you guys are going to learn on this subtopic is identify key component of the cardiovascular system, describe the function of the cardiovascular system, and identify the structure of the cardiovascular system, which is heart. There are 12 pictures that correspond to the 12 main page for you to go directly to the page. They all have the same method that by clicking on the picture, it will go straight to the page. For example, for teacher page, this page is for students to recognize and make it easier for students to contact the teacher by clicking on the teacher's picture. Students will go directly to the WhatsApp application. Next is e-learning. E-learning is a page for students to find scientific resources from the internet such as YouTube, and for everyone's knowledge, the Animaker is the result of our own creation and you just need to click it. Next is ebook. Ebook is also information to students but in PDF and Word form. And next is cardiovascular page. This page will only explain general knowledge to students for this topic and subtopic. We have provided keyword and information sourced from YouTube so that students know the initial overview for this topic.
This is definition of heart. Through anatomy heart, students will know structure of heart, location of heart, and shape of the heart. Physiology of heart. We will explain about the function of aorta, mitral valve, vena cava, 4 chambers, septum, and we will explain about the 3 layers of heart wall. The first layer is epicardium, second myocardium, and the third is pericardium. What is abnormal heart rhythm? Abnormal heart rhythm is when your heart beats too fast, too slow, or irregular. Type of abnormal heart rhythms. The first one is tachycardia, atrial fibrillation, atrial flutter, bradycardia, ventricular fibrillation, and the last one is premature contraction. This is an example of the symptom abnormal heart rhythms, and this is an example of risk factors of abnormal heart rhythm. Function of cardiac diastole, and we will explain about the process cardiac diastole. This is a function of systolic and the process of systolic. This is a video about the cardiac cycle in animation. There are 5 diseases contribute to cardiovascular disease. The most common one is hypertension, second, atherosclerosis, thrombus, stroke, and the heart attack. This video will talk about the cardiovascular disease. This is a function of the heart electrical conduction system, and this is a function of sinoatrial node and arteriovascular node. What happens if the sinoatrial node blocked, and what happens if the arteriovascular node blocked? This is an example of video about the cardiac conduction system and understanding ECG in animation and conduction system of the heart.
Hello everyone, welcome back with me, Cikgu Amirin. So, at this button, when you click this button, it will show you the way to a healthy heart. This is a way to provide some video to tips and tricks for a healthy heart. At this, we have 3 parts. For the first part is eating healthy and good nutrition. This is way to healthy and good nutrition, and we provide top 5 tips to the expert, and we also provide some video to make students more understand. And then fitness and exercise. We click the button is fitness and exercise. Okay, when you click the fitness and exercise, we provide some video how exercise improve heart health, and then heart benefit from exercise. And then you also can click here, click this button. Okay, here we go to the YouTube and show you about how exercise improve the health. And then for the last part is having a healthy lifestyle. You click the button healthy. So for the healthy lifestyle, we provide some video and tips to starting a healthy lifestyle. And then the button is ECG. Okay. For the ECG, you can it show you about what is ECG, and it will show you about normal and abnormal about the ECG. So move to the next button. The next button is game. We also provide some form of game to test the level understanding of student while student making happy and learning at this time. When you click the button of game, you can see 3 types of game. For the first one is wood wall, quizzes and quiz time. And then you click the wood wall. Okay, for the wood wall, we provide 2 games. So you can click the icon and you will go to the game. The button start. Next, the quizzes button. You can click the button of quizzes and icon. When you click the icon, you will go to the application of quizzes. So when you click the quizzes, he will go to here. Then you just click the start. Okay, next button on the game is quiz time. For the quiz time, you can just click the icon, and so when you play the game, the quiz time is about the subjective. You can just click and continue the game. So the next button is understanding level test. We as a caring teacher, we have provide some question to the student, consisting to a 6 question according to a level of Bloom taxonomy question. So the student just click the icon. For the last button is answer. You can click the button of answer, and for the last button is answer. So at this button, student can see the answer of the understanding level test. Finally, we as your teacher have given description about our Google site. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, and I very apologize about all of mistake was done at our Google site. So we hope that all students can use our Google site, make a study, make a reference, and use our Google site application as well as possible. Thank you so much. See you soon. Assalamualaikum. The key of success is education.